parents of the victim who has now moved the court, the Calcutta High Court, because the parents of the victim here are demanding for a court-monitored investigation into the incident at the Arjikar Medical College and Hospital. As far as the investigation that has been taking place, let me quickly go across to Pooja, who has been tracking all of the details, because Pooja, one call is that of a CBI monitored probe. However, the victim's family here have been seeking a court monitored investigation. Please take us through the hearing details.
Well, absolutely. The parents of the victim had moved Calcutta High Court seeking a court-monitored investigation. While the state government representing the state, the councils present in the court had said that they have no problem if there is a court-monitored investigation. In fact, they are also ready to hand over the case to the CBI by Sunday if the investigation does not get any underway beyond Sunday and if no more arrests are made. But at this point in time, the court had said that the doctor's demand is justified. Yes, it is true that the patients are suffering, but a heinous crime like this being committed inside a hospital, as a result of which the doctors are on a strike and have placed their demands forward, and their demands are genuine. And right now the court has said that let the two parties sit together, the hospital authorities, the doctors who are on strike and the state government, and reach a point of conclusion. And as far as the court-monitored investigation is concerned, the court will take a decision at a later time, because we'll also have to wait and see whether the state government is handing over the case to the CBI after Sunday, as it was notified by the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee.
But when will that happen now? Because this deadline has been another deadline that has been given of nationwide protest to happen. If the demands that have been kept forth by the protesting doctors are not met, how do we understand as far as when exactly would be an investigative agency apart from the Kolkata police, Pooja, who would be looking into the matter?
Well, absolutely. As far as the protesting doctors are concerned, they have been demanding a judicial inquiry into the case. On the other hand, the parents of the victims have moved Calcutta High Court today seeking a court-monitored investigation. On the other hand, the Kolkata police has said on record that by Sunday they are going to hand over the case to the CBI. So a lot of grey areas as far as the agency which will take over the investigation from here on. But so far what we know is that one arrested accused has confirmed and accepted to the crime that he had committed. Autopsy and post-mortem report has also confirmed that the lady doctor was raped and brutally murdered. She was throttled and smothered is what we have reported yesterday through the post-mortem report. But at this point in time, we yet to understand which agency will take the case forward.
Right, but Pooja, what about as far as another PIL here, Link, is also concerned, because there had been matters regarding the same case were to be taken up with the Calcutta High Court. One was, of course, the parents' plea seeking for a court-monitored probe. There is said to be another PIL that is seeking for a CBI investigation.
Well, absolutely. A total of 5 cases have been mentioned before the Calcutta High Court, and the Chief Justice bench of T.S. Shivagaman, he has been hearing all the matters back to back. So beginning 11 a.m. today, first he heard the matter which was moved by the parents of the victim, which was seeking a court-monitored investigation. Thereafter, the court will also hear a petition and a PIL seeking for a CBI investigation.
Back to back, Pooja, those are the developments that we are getting from that hearing that is taking place in the Calcutta High Court, also admitting the fact that the medical services that have been hit, the doctors have been protesting, but they have a valid reason to protest on ground. As far as